Good morning, everyone. Myself, Radha Pramila, lecturer in Commerce, Government Degree College, Siddipet. Welcome back our online classes. Today, today I am explaining about important topics in Unit 2, the Joint Stock Company. It topic covers become first semester, first year, subject business organization management. So, this topic these all topics are important in the subject, very important. So now meaning, what is the joint stock company? Stages of promotion of a company. What is the promotion? What is the promotion? A company promotion. What is that meaning? Promotion of a company is the first important stage where necessary steps are taken for bringing the idea of a company into practice. It is the process of planning and arranging various inputs required for running in an enterprise. Promotion involves identification of opportunities, studying the feasibility, assembling the requirements, financing the proposition, etc. All these activities are undertaken by the promoters. The promoters perform various stages of promotion. What is that? Promoters are perform various stages of promotion. What is? Who is the promoter? What is a promoter? A promoter conceives an idea for setting up a particular business at a given place and performs various formalities required for starting a company. The promoter may be an individual firm, association of persons, or a company. The person who assists the promoter in completing various legal formalities are professional people like counsels, solicitors, accountants, etc. Right? వ్యవస్థాపకుడు, వ్యవస్థాపన. ఒక కంపెనీ తనంతట తాను ఎలాగూ ఉద్భవించదు. కంపెనీ అనేది కంపెనీల చట్టం ద్వారా సృష్టించబడిన ఒక కల్పిత వ్యక్తిగా చూస్తున్నాం. కంపెనీని వ్యవస్థాపకుడు ముందుగా దానికి సంబంధించిన పూర్తి ప్రణాళికను తయారు చేసుకొని స్థాపించడానికి పోగు చేయవలసిన పనులన్నింటినీ వ్యవస్థాపకుని యొక్క విధి నిర్వహణలోని పనులు. ఓకే, అలా కంపెనీని ప్రారంభించాలి అని ఎవరైతే పూనుకుంటారో ఆ వ్యక్తిని వ్యవస్థాపకుడుగా, ప్రమోటర్గా చూడడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ యొక్క ప్రమోటర్ అనేక ప్రత్యేకమైన లక్షణాలు కలిగి ఉండి వ్యవస్థాపనలో అతనికి సాధించాల్సిన విజయాలన్నింటినీ సాధించడం కోసం అవసరమైన సమస్తమైన పత్రాలను తయారు చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. Okay, a promoter is one who undertakes to form a company with reference to a given object and sets it going and takes the necessary steps to accomplish that purpose. వ్యవస్థాపకుడు అంటే ఏమిటి అంటే ఏదైతే అనుకుంటున్నాడో కంపెనీని ప్రారంభించాలి అని ఆ ప్రారంభించడానికి కంపెనీకి సంబంధించిన ప్రతి ఒక్క విషయాన్ని అతను చూసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్, ప్రమోషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కంపెనీ. ఇన్కార్పొరేషన్ ఆర్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్. Promoters. Okay, now promoter characteristics. What is the characters? A promoter. A promoter have 5 characteristics. Number 1, a promoter conceives as idea for the setting up a business, right? Next, he makes preliminary investigations and ensure about that future prospectus of the business. Promoters have many characters in the formation of company. So, third one character, he brings together various persons who agree to associate with him and share the business responsibilities, right? Next, he prepares various documents and gets the company incorporated. And the last one, he raises the required finance and gets the company going, right? These are all the characteristics of a promoter. Then next, functions of a promoter. What is the functions? Number 1, identification of a business opportunity, right? Identification of the business opportunity. What is the opportunities of the his business? The first stage of the promotion of business is the identification of a business opportunities. What is the opportunity? How it is he owned the idea. The promoter visualization that there are opportunities for a particular type of business, right? It can be run profitability. The idea can have it profitability also. The idea opportunity is for a particular type also. Maybe to exploit a new area or natural resources of venture in the existing line of business, right? He develops the idea with the help of technical experts of that field, right? That business field, he exists a technical helps his ideas. When the promoter feels that here are opportunities in taking up a particular venture, then the idea is taken further, right? Second one, detailed investigation. A promoter, who is a promoter? A promoter have an idea. It is a form, a company, incorporation, duties, detailed investigation. He done everything, detailed investigation, everything detailed investigation. All that second stage, various factors relating to the business are studied from a particular point of view. అతనికి కావాల్సిన ఏదైతే అనుకుంటున్నాడో కంపెనీని ప్రారంభించాలి అని, ఆ యొక్క కంపెనీని ప్రారంభించాలి అని అనుకుంటున్న ఆ యొక్క ఒక కోణంలో నుండి పూర్తిగా స్టడీ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ డిటర్మైన్ ద డిమాండ్ ఫర్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఈజ్ ఎస్టిమేటెడ్ అండ్ ద లైక్లీ బిజినెస్ షేర్ ఈజ్ డిటర్మైన్డ్. నెక్స్ట్, అప్రూవల్ ఆఫ్ నేమ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ point. Future also. What is that? Approval of name. It is necessary to get the name of the company approved from the registrar of companies. This is done in order to avoid duplication of the name. Generally, a company submits a list of names in order of performance preferences. The registrar matches the names with the name of existing companies and then one name is approved. Right? A list prepared, a promoter, company promoter, a list prepared, a names list prepared, and registrars, company registrar, he submit that list and he examined and matched the names list companies, existing companies matched, then one name is approved. Who is that? Who is the person? A registrar. Companies registrar the approved in the list of one name, only one name. Right? Say fourth one, signatures to memorandum. The promoters decide the names of persons to be the signatures to the memorandum of association. Right? Who is the memorandum of association? What is the memorandum? Usually the first signatures to the memorandum become the first directors of the company. Right? The written consent of the person to act as directors is taken and they are asked to take qualifying shares with the company. Right? Next, preparing necessary documents. This is the important step, function, a promoter. The promoters take steps to prepare various legal documents of the company which have to be submitted to the registrar of companies at the time of incorporation. The documents which are required to be prepared include memorandum of association, articles of association, prospectus. Right? Which one? 3 types of documents. Very, very important documents. Which one? Number 1, memorandum of association. Number 2, articles of association. Number 3, prospectus. These are all the important documents for registration a company incorporation. Right? Next, very important memorandum of association. What is that? Documents for registration of a company. Documents for registration of a company. These are all three main documents for registration. Main documents. Number 1, memorandum of association. What is the memorandum of association? The memorandum of association is the constitution of the company and provides the foundation on which its structure is built. It is a structure. It is a built. Right? It is the principal document of the company. What is that? Memorandum of association. It is a principal document of a company, and no company can be registered without the memorandum of association. Right? No company can, any one company must be registered with the memorandum of association. Without memorandum of association cannot be registered a company. Right? It defines the scope of the company's activities. What is that? It defines a scope of company's activities as well as its relation with the outside world. Okay, outside world. It relation with outside world. It is a, what is it? Right, the memorandum of association, section 256 of the Companies Act 2013, the memorandum of association of a company as originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of any previous company's law or of this act. Right? What is the purpose? Now, meaning over. What is the purpose? It's prepared. Meaning, purpose. Why purpose? The purpose, the main purpose of the memorandum of is to explain the scope of activities of the company. The respective shareholders know the area where company will invest their money and the risk they are taking in investing the money. The outsiders will understand the limits of the working of the company and their dealings within should remain within the prescribed scope. Right? Next, the memorandum of association is drafted into paragraphs and printed. It is signed by at least 7 persons in case of public companies, 2 persons in case of private company, and 1 person in case of 1 person company. What is the purpose? The memorandum of association it is signed by at least 7 members in case of public company. Private company, 2 members. At 1 person company, in the 1 person signed. with their full names and addresses and occupations in the presence of a witness. It is very must. It is very must and should. Right? This is the purpose. Memorandum of Association. Right? Next, features of Memorandum of Association. What are the features? What are the features? Number 1, every company must prepare its own Memorandum of Association. Right? We have a constitution. Right? Every company must have a Memorandum of Association. Number 2, Memorandum of Association is the constitution of the company, right? Constitution of the company. It prescribes the rule and responsibility of the company. Rules and regulations to continue and this company, right? It is a Memorandum of Association. Next, the activities of the company are limited to what has been prescribed in the Memorandum of Association. The activities company limited. What is a limited? How limited? These are all the explained in the Memorandum of Association. Next, Memorandum of Association is prepared by the promoters of the company. Who is the prepare the Memorandum of Association? The promoters. Who is that? Promoters. The company before company registration working member. Who is that? Promoter. The promoter is preparing the Memorandum of Association. Next, Memorandum is printed paragraphs and numbered in sequence, right? Sequence numbers. Next, it is signed by 7 to 1 person in case of public, private, one-man company. One person company respectively. It's must and should signed by 7 members or 2 members or 1 person, 7 members in public, 2 members in private, and 1 person in company, 1 member signed by them. Right? Next, what is that? Next clauses. We are seeing this our last class, and once again remember it. Once again, it is the important question in this class, in this chapter, and subject also. What is the classes of memorandum? There are 6 classes. There are 6 classes. Very, very important question. It comes every time in the examination. This is a must and should you know about it. Now, number 1, the name clause. What is that? The name clause. A company being a separate legal entity must have a name. Company name. Select any name which does not resemble the name of any other company, and it should not contain in words like king, queen, emperor, government bodies. This is not selected. Next, after last, the word must be limited, must be used at the end of the name of the public and private limited is used by the private company. Right? These words these words are used in ensure that all persons dealing with the private companies. Right? Next, registered office clauses. A registered office clause. What is a registered office? Every company should have a registered office, the address of which should be communicated to the registrar of companies. This helps the registrar to have correspondence. What is correspondence? Correspondence with the company. The place of a registered office has to be intimated before getting the certificate of the commencement. Right? Next, object classes. Object class. This is one of the important class of the Memorandum of Association. What is object? How? Why are you formed a company? These object. Tells the object company's object. This is one of the important classes of the Memorandum of Association. It determines the rights and powers of the company and also defines its shares of activities. What is that? Shares of activities, power, rights. It determines. The object class gives protection to the subscribers who learn from it the purpose to which their money can be applied. Right? Their money can be applied. The object class should be decided carefully because it is difficult to alert this class later on. No activity can be taken up by the company which is not mentioned in the object class. Right? This is the important class object. What is that object? The company. The object class can be changed to enable a company to carry on its activities more economically or by improved means to carry on some business which under existing circumstances may conveniently be combined with the object class. Right? Next, liability class. What is a liability class? The class status that the liability of the members is limited to the value of shares held by them. It means that the members will be liable to pay only the unpaid balance their shares. Right? Next, capital class. What is that? Capital class. The class status the total capital of proposed company, the division of capital into equity shares capital and preference share capital should also be mentioned. The number of shares in each category and their value should be given. If some special rights and privileges are conferred on any type of shareholders, mention may also be made in the class to enable the public to know the exact nature of capital structure of the company. The next sixth one, association class. Association class. This class provides that those who have agreed to subscribe to memorandum must signify their willingness to associate and form a company. This class contains the names of signatures to the memorandum of association. These are all the six classes, very important in the memorandum of association. What is the memorandum of association? These are all these six classes must you write and explain about these classes, right? Next, advantages. What is advantages of memorandum of association? Advantages. What is advantages? Provides scope of activities. Number 1, provides scope of activities. Number 2, necessary of incorporation. Number 3, public document. Number 4, protecting interests of investors. Number 5, memorandum of cannot be easily altered. Number 6, sources of information. Right? These are all the important advantages of in memorandum of association. Right? Next we are going to explain about artificial of association. Articles of association. Articles of association. Okay. What is the meaning of articles of association? These are all the three important documents for registration a company, formation a company. Right? These are all the important documents. One of the memorandum of articles and association, and second one articles of association, third one prospectus. Number 2, now meaning articles of association. What is the articles of association? Articles of association of the company as originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of any previous company's law or of this act. Section 2 of the Companies Act 2013. What is the meaning? The rules and regulations which are framed for the internal management of the company. What is that? Internal management. Framed of the internal management. Set out the document named Articles of Association. The articles are framed to help the company in achieving its objectives set out in Memorandum of Association. It is a supplementary document to the Memorandum of Association. What is that? An article of association is supplementary document to the memorandum of association. Right? Understand? It is a supplementary document to the memorandum of association. Right? Next, nature of articles of association. What is the nature? Articles of association are subordinate to memorandum of association. What is that? Subordinate. Right? Next, the articles are controlled by memorandum. Main feature is a memorandum of association. The supplementary document, articles of association. Right? Articles help in achieving the objective laid down the memorandum. Next, articles are only internal regulations over which members exercise control. Right? Internal regulations in the company. Rules and regulations contains article of association. Right? Next, articles lay down the regulation for governments of the company. These are all the nature of article association. Okay. Contents. Articles of association. Next, contents. What is the contents? Number 1. The exclusion wholly on or in part of model articles as contained to respective tables. Right? Next, share capital, shares and their value and their division into equity and preference shares if any. Right? Preference share, equity shares, article and their value, their division, their equity. These are all the including the article of association. Next, rights of each class of shareholders and procedure for variation of their rights. Variation of their rights and increase, alteration and reduction of share capitals. Right? Next, memorandum of association. Difference between memorandum of association and article of association. Scope. The memorandum of association is a sort of consultation of the company. The company works in the framework given in the memorandum. The article of association. The article contained by law for the day-to-day working of the company. Articles are framed in the orbit of the memorandum of association. Right? Next, third important documents in third document, prospectus. What is a prospectus? Meaning, after getting the company incorporated, promoters will raise finance. The public is invited to purchase shares and debentures of the company through and advertisements. A document contained detailed information about the company and an invitation to the public. What is that? Invitation to the public. Information about company. About detailed information about the company. It is an invitation to the public. For why? Subscribing to the share capitals and debentures is issued. The document is called prospectus. Right? The document is called prospectus. Private companies cannot issue a prospectus because why? Why is these? And they are strictly prohibited from inviting the public to subscribe to their shares. Only public companies can issue a prospectus. Right? What is that prospectus? Only public companies can issue the prospectus. Section 270 of Companies Act 2013 is defines any document described or issued as a prospectus and includes a red herring prospectus referred to section 32 or shelf prospectus referred into section 31 or any notice, circulars, advertisements and other document inviting deposits from the public or inviting others from the public for the subscription of purchase of any shares in the or debentures of a body corporate. Right? This is the main purpose of the prospectus. What is the contents? Name and full address of the company. Right? The prospectus name, full particulars about signature to the memorandum of association and the number of shares taken by them. Right? The number of classes of shares. What is the number of classes of shares? The interest of shareholders in the property and profits of the company. Name and address and occupations of the members of the board of directors or proposed directors. Board of directors are proposed directors. Name, address and occupations. Right? In the content. What is that? Prospectus. Next. These are all the important documents. Number 1, document, memorandum of association, article of association and prospectus. In this chapter, memorandum of association clauses, very important, 6 clauses. Very important question. Promotion of a company. Stages of a promotion of a company. So, these are all the very important topics in Unit 2. Please learn about it, Unit 2. Okay, thank you friends.